Hi guys, today I will teach you how to design almost any graphics without Photoshop. Okay, so what can we design? We can design logos, social media posts. Okay, so if you're Facebook marketing or marketing in social media, we can design those graphical posts. Pinterest graphics. So if you're into Pinterest marketing, you should know that graphics is very important, and we can design that in this course. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so if you're doing YouTube, then a good thumbnail increases click-through rate. Okay, it makes people want to click on your YouTube video. So YouTube thumbnail is very useful. Resumes. Okay, if you want to have a different resume, a creative resume, an impressive resume, then we can also make that. Book covers. Okay, if you're a aspiring author, we can also design book covers. CD covers, infographics, menus. So if you have a restaurant, then we can also design a menu. Posters, brochures, Facebook ads, and many more. Okay, so we will be using Canva. Okay, so what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design app that is totally completely free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything, although there is a paid version. Okay, there's an upgrade, but you don't need to pay anything. Personally, I just use the free Canva and I don't pay anything, but if you want to upgrade, that is okay. No experience required. Okay, so you don't need to have any graphic design experience, and you don't need to know Photoshop, okay, or anything like Adobe. There's no experience required at all. This is perfect for newbies. Okay, and it's very easy to use, and there are many templates available. So this means that you don't need to start from scratch because there are already existing templates, and you don't need to install any software. Okay, so there's no need to buy Photoshop, there's no need to buy anything, and there's no need to install anything on your computer. Okay, because this is a web-based app. Okay, so all you need to do is have your internet access and your desktop or laptop computer. That's all you need, a computer and internet access. Okay, so now let's go to Canva. Okay, so just go to Google and type Canva. That's Canva, and then click Canva, and then you need to sign up. Okay, so you choose if you're a teacher or student here, education, if you're a small business, large company, a charity, or personal. Okay, so as for me, I'll just choose personal, and then you can choose to sign up with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email. Okay, so for example, let's sign up with Facebook. Let's just click that. Okay, and then click continue as. So just wait for it while it's still signing up on using Facebook. Okay, so now we already signed up on using Facebook. Then choose what are you, artist, a blogger, okay, a business owner. So for example, I just use a blogger. And then it says invite your teams and collaborate on design. So for me, I'll just skip that. Okay, but if you have any friends or a team, then you can invite them, but I'll just skip that. So I'll just click here, skip inviting team members. Okay, so choose what you want to create. Okay, and there are more design types here, so let's just click that. Okay, so now we're here on Canva. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson.